So today I have a new product. It is the Killer Xeno Pro. This is a Visiontek card. Now Bigfoot Networks, the creators of the Killer NIC, used to be the only board manufacturer that they authorized to produce their Killer Gaming Network cards. But Visiontek has been brought on board to produce a Xeno Pro gaming card. Now Bigfoot claims that you can get up to 40% faster performance in online games and 27% smoother frame rates. This card does include a copy of EverQuest 2, the Shadow Odyssey, if you are so inclined. You will need, oh, hey, here we go. You will need a PCI Express 1X slot on your motherboard and high-speed internet access via Cat5 in order to make use of this card. So let's open it up, and while I'm opening the box here, I'm just gonna sort of give you guys a little bit of background on just exactly why we have this Killer Gaming Network card. We are going to be doing a test on NCIX Tech Tips, so not on my video blog, but on my my sort of more professional channel, where we will be comparing the Killer NIC side by side in two identical Core i5 based gaming systems running EverQuest 2 to see if we can isolate exactly where the performance improvement comes from. So that's going to be coming up in the next little while, and if I've already done it, I'll be putting in an annotation to give you the link to go visit it. Anyway, let's find out what comes in the box here. So it has a 1-year warranty, and the first thing you'll find inside the box is the Killer Xeno Pro. So let's take it out. Actually, let's see the accessories first. Sorry, I'm going to make you guys wait. Okay, there's the accessories. So inside we will find a Killer Xeno Pro Gaming Network card driver's disc, as well as, oh no, you can't see that, as well as our EverQuest 2 download and CD key. Okay, and then we have the Quick Start Guide for their software version 5.0.2.0. And actually, I would definitely recommend you download the latest software off of Bigfoot Network's site. Okay, that's interesting. So that was it. Okay, well, let's get to the card itself then. So pull this baby out. So at the bottom of the card, they've done away with the old classic huge metal K heatsink that we used to see on these things. So we find a couple of RAM chips. We find the Killer NPU, or Network Processing Unit itself. Here's our PCI Express 1X interface, and then let's flip the card over to the back where we will find not a whole lot, but it is tested to comply with FCC standards, so that's terrific. Okay, on the back of the card, we will find a gigabit Ethernet port, so that's where most of the business of this card is done. Then we'll find a USB port. Now, Killer does support the use of third-party apps that can make use of this hardware. So for example, these ports, the microphone and headphone jacks, can be made use of by some voice chat programs like Mumble to reduce the latency in those as well as in your games, and to offload the audio processing completely from your CPU or your sound card to the Killer NIC itself. And the USB port can be used, I believe, for storage devices as well as many other uses. Now, thank you for checking out my unboxing of the Killer Xeno Pro.